Are you ready to transform your backyard into a luxurious oasis? Look no further. At Innovative Custom Pools, we bring your wildest outdoor dreams to life. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek modern pool or a cozy fire pit, our fully licensed residential and commercial pool builders are here to make it happen. We don't just build pools, we create stunning spaces that elevate your lifestyle. Check out what we offer. Shade structures. Beat the heat and relax under beautifully designed shade structures. Pools and spas. Dive into your private paradise and unwind. Sunken kitchens. Cook, entertain, and impress in style. Fire pits. Gather round the warmth, roast marshmallows, and create unforgettable memories. All hardscapes. From elegant pathways to perfect patios, we've got you covered. Pickleball courts. Serve, volley, and have a blast with friends and family. Ramadas. Kick back and enjoy the stunning Arizona sunsets. Guest houses. Extend your living space for visitors or that perfect retreat. Major remodels. Transform your existing space into something extraordinary. Ready to make your outdoor dreams come true? Contact us today at admin@icpoolsas.com or give us a call at 480-388-4173. Let's create your ultimate backyard paradise.